Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm testing the performance of my brand new MacBook Pro M4 Pro with an Xcode benchmark. To make things even more interesting, I'll compare the results to my old 2019 MacBook Pro, powered by an Intel Core i5 with 8GB of RAM. So let's dive in. First up is the M4 Pro, the 12-core version with 24GB of RAM. I'm running the Xcode benchmark, which compiles a large project to really stress the CPU. During the first half of the test, the fans didn't even turn on. It was completely silent. They only started running lightly towards the end. And the results? The M4 Pro smashed through the task in just 110 seconds. It's incredibly fast and responsive, making it perfect for heavy workloads like this. To push the M4 Pro even further, I ran the benchmark again, but this time with my standard work setup running in the background. This included Arc browser with several tabs open, Xcode, VS Code, and 2 iOS simulators. Once again, the MacBook started completely silent, and the noise level in the room was around 37 decibels. By the end of the test, the fans ramped up slightly, raising the noise level to 45 decibels. Still very manageable. As for the results, the test took 132 seconds, slightly slower than the earlier run, but still an excellent result given the heavy multitasking load. It handled everything with ease, showing just how capable the M4 Pro is for real-world scenarios. Now let's see how my old 2019 Intel MacBook Pro performs. Right from the start, the fans kicked in and kept running at full speed throughout the entire test. By the half point, the laptop was already heating up, and by the end it was hot to touch. The difference is night and day. The Intel MacBook took a whopping 800 seconds to complete the same task. That's more than 8 times slower than the M4 Pro. And the M4 Pro feels effortless, while the Intel MacBook struggles to keep up. Even though the fan noise is similar when they're running, the M4 Pro runs cool and quiet most of the time, while the Intel model gets loud and hot quickly. This test shows just how far Apple Silicon has come. If you're still using an Intel-based MacBook, it might be time to upgrade. The M4 Pro is faster, cooler, and more efficient. A massive leap forward. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.